YouTube channel is Rhea_home44. Today I am going to be unboxing and assembling the Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_home44. Today I am going to be unboxing and assembling the garment rack that I purchased off of Amazon. That's the one that I am going to add as one of my props on my videos, and it is gold, and there are like some what do you call that, shelving that is in white, and it has some wheels so I can easily move it around whenever I want when I'm trying to film videos. But I hope you learn and enjoy this video. I bought this garment rack off of Amazon for $199.98. I am going to put the link in the description box down below. I am an Amazon associate, and if you use my link, I will earn a little commission, but it won't cost you any extra. It would rather help me make more videos and run this channel. So I hope you use the link, or if you like this kind of garment rack, please use the link that I'm going to be putting in the description box down below. Thank you. So that is it, guys. That's how you assemble this particular garment rack. I love how I love the color combination, the gold and the white, and I love that it has like an extra shelving over here, and then it has wheels so I could easily maneuver and move it around. Yeah, so if you're interested and you want to buy this particular product, I am an Amazon associate. I will put a link in the description box down below if you're interested. It won't cost you any extra, but it will earn me a little commission so I could make money and run or make more videos and make this channel better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like that video and I hope you find this video helpful. If you are already an existing subscriber, sa mga Bisaya, daghan kayong salamat sa pagsigog tanaw sa akong mga YouTube videos. Sa mga Tagalog, maraming salamat sa parating panonood ng mga YouTube videos ko. And to all my viewers and subscribers all over the world and here in the United States, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Raya_Home44. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye!